Hey, this is Oren, the Gimkit teacher, and today I'm going to show you how to access and play one of Gimkit's hidden game modes, one of their ones that kind of moved on from the main list and main group. You have to go to Gimkit Creative, then go to Discovery here and type in this or that into the search bar. This is a game mode that was created by Gimkit right before Farm Chain released many years ago as a way to kind of buffer and get us, hyped for the new school year. This is a great game mode made by Gimkit. It says it's not. It's made by Gimkit. This is a great game mode as a icebreaker, a way to start off the school year just by doing just a regular this or that, but with a little Gimkit flair. It's one of the smallest maps that you'll see. It's one of the only Gimkit game modes where there is no kit, because you're actually going to ask questions to your students aloud and grant them energy or grant them points based off of if they answer correctly or not. So we're going to check that out real quick. I'm going to make 2 different student accounts. I'm going to name one student 1 and another student 2 because I don't have students with me right now. School hasn't started yet with me, but this is going to be something I'm going to do with my students on the first day. I'm going to go and change their skins up a little bit so they look a little different. Alright, let's make him a cat, the Kasky. Okay, and close that up. Great, so we have student 1 and student 2. And now we can start the game. So it starts with a little introduction. It says, in this mode, students will not answer multiple choice questions. Instead, they will answer questions about your class and ask to move their games to the left or the right for option A or option B. So this is perfect for icebreakers, like do they have a sibling, yes or no. They just move to whichever side. Or you can ask them a more trivia style question, like a true or false question. Do birds have scales? True or false? And then you can freeze characters. You can freeze the players. This button on the bottom here that says freeze players. I'm sorry you can't see it, but it's there. And you have these buttons here that can turn them into ghosts, which will make it kind of like an elimination thing. So you'll eliminate players this way. You cannot unghost players once you do ghost them. So make sure that you're really careful about that. You have to end the game and then restart the game in order for them to turn back into normal Gims. So you can't unghost them once you make them ghost. They can still earn points. There's a button to grant them points as well. It's at the top right and top left to give the red side points. If your players, they're players on the left side or on the red side, they get points. Or if they're players on the right side, they can get points. And the way you can stop other players who are answering incorrectly from running over there to get points, you just press the freeze button on the bottom right hand corner. It'll freeze them in place so you can give them the points or make them ghost or whatever. Then you'll unfreeze them to ask your next question. This game mode doesn't have an ending, so you just have to end the game yourself. I just tried the ghost option so we don't see any player, but on the player screen they can see themselves. Okay, so you can't see them, other players can't see them, but they can see themselves. They can still run around, they can still kind of participate by answering questions, maybe even getting points and stuff. Maybe it's even better to ghost everybody so that no one knows what someone else is answering. One of these types of ideas of this game is that people might do like a hive mind type of thing, and they might all go to the same one. If they think a student's smarter than others, they'll follow what the student's doing if they don't know the answer. But you can just ghost everybody, or at least ghost that one really bright student. And then they have to fend for themselves a little bit. But the possibilities are endless. This is just a game set up for you to figure out what you want to do with your class. But that's it. This is a great game for people. Tell me how you might want to use yours at the beginning of the school year. Anyway, thank you so much for your time and have a great rest of the day, guys.